Hi, my name is Erin Perkins, and happy snow day from here in Topeka, Kansas. I am a special education teacher at a special purpose day school for the Auburn-Washburn district. I teach middle schoolers and high schoolers with emotional disabilities. I've been a special education teacher for the past 11 years. Previously to being up here in Topeka, I was down in Goddard, right outside of Wichita, Kansas, teaching in a resource room. Um, I think that'll be one of my unique strengths as in becoming a building administrator or some sort of administrator professional is having worked with the special needs population for as long as I have ever since I've been in my teaching career. A little bit about myself. My husband and I have 3 kids currently, and number 4 is on her way coming on tax day, so squeezing in this last class before that comes and we take some time off for maternity leave and all that. So it's a very busy house around here. This class I'm hoping will give me lots of different information just because I'm not very familiar with building finance, school building finance as it is. I know just maybe enough to be slightly dangerous, but to really understand exactly where the different budgets come from, how to set up a good budget for a school. Um, being able to take money that's been allotted and use resources wisely and allocate it to all the different needs of a school. Um, while I do have a strength of having worked with the special education population for as long as I have, and that's kind of where my heart and passion lies, there are plenty of other places I know that within a school building that money needs to be allocated to. Um, just being able to understand that and grasp all of those different facets, familiarize myself again with more of a general education school building because I've been in a special purpose day school for the past 6 years now. So that's its own little different ballgame as well. But anyway, I look forward to meeting the rest of you and learning a lot in these next 8 weeks.